After a few positive days, the market really lacked direction today, trying to digest the rising number of COVID cases with the disappointing unemployment data that we got earlier this morning. Initial jobless claims rose more than expected, over 1.5 million. But continuing claims may have been the worst number. It was higher than expected at 20.5 million. There was some cautious optimism, though, that we saw with the Philly Fed number, which did rise to 27.5, beating forecasts. Energy led the market today, especially the refiners. Occidental Petroleum, Valero, Phillips Petroleum, all up 4% or more. So those did lead the energy space higher, even though the overall market was fairly mixed. ES option data from yesterday, 430,000 options traded, 57% on the put side. Volume leaders were the June 3,200 call, 9,300 of those traded. The June 3,000 put, 6,800 of those traded. June 30/50 put, 4,400 of those traded, and the June 3,100 put, 4,300 of those traded. The expected move to the end of the day tomorrow that ES options are pricing in is about $42, and going out to next Friday the 26th, about $115. Now, something we need to talk about that happens once a year is the Russell 2000 Index reconstitution. That will conclude next Friday on June 26th. So what happens is once a year, the Russell rebalances so it can ensure that the index properly reflects changes in the U.S. equity markets. Typically, this is one of the highest trading volume days of the year in the equity markets. And an investor could turn to and use CME E-mini Russell 2000 Index futures, which have the symbol of RTY, to help mitigate risk or put some position on ahead of that.